front of me is Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist. When it's ready, launch it, and to mute the music, click at the bottom left corner. Wait for the pop-up and hit consent. Now my favorite part. Click on this gear at the top left corner and not only operate all of those options, you can check out preview at the top or by clicking on this X at the top right corner. Let's just make some changes though first. And if you wanna go back, tap on the gear again. My favorite option though is the first one, which is presets, because here you can check out all of those options and maybe go with something different than black background. My favorite one is this one. Adjust all of those options for your new preset. Click at the top right corner and finally to set it up at the bottom right corner. Then choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Tap on Yes. Choose Set Wallpaper and decide where, home screen or home screen and lock screen. Then go back. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!